How to zoom pictures in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can zoom in on pictures in your Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your web browser and search for Canva. Head over to canva.com and make sure you're logged in into your account. After that, you can go to your project that you're using or simply create a new one. I'll create a new whiteboard here. And after I create a whiteboard, there you can see this page loads up. Now what I can do here is I can simply import a picture from my device or simply upload one that's already available here. So you can do whichever you want. It's completely up to you. So I'll just go to my uploads here and there I'll find images, different images available. So I'll just select this image. Now if I want to zoom in on this image, let me just put that aside. And if I want to zoom in on this image, what I can do is there you will see a zoom in bar. So you can zoom in like this. Now this will zoom your entire whiteboard. This will not just zoom in your picture. Now if you want to zoom in your picture, simply select the corners or the sides of the picture and simply drag it. After you drag it, as you can see, the whiteboard is not zooming in, but the picture is actually just getting bigger and bigger. Now, that's one way of doing it. You can also do it by simply dragging on this side right here. Now, there you will notice at some point, what will happen is your frame, that is this area right here, will start adjusting your picture for you to fit in this frame right here. And that's basically how you can zoom in on pictures on your Canva. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.